am all about things that make my life just a little easier, and as funny as it is, I show off this trash can to everyone who is new who visits my house for the first time. Oftentimes, cleaning up after kids and dogs, I always have my hands full, and the last thing I want to do is have to find somewhere to sit things down just to be able to open the trash can lid or risk dumping things in the floor, trying to bend over and find that step on foot pedal that a lot of trash cans come with. That's why I love the motion activated lid on this trash can. It just opens itself for me as I get close so I can dump whatever's in my hand straight into the trash can and keep moving about my day. You can also do a little leg or elbow action because any motion will make this thing open up. It also closes automatically, so that's just one less thing I have to do, which is so great in my life. It's just a bonus that the stainless and black color is very aesthetically pleasing. There's a ring that fits down inside the trash can that you hang your trash bag on, and this ring kind of folds the sides of the bag back up inside the trash can, so when you actually put the lid on, the bag is completely hidden, so the only thing you see is the pretty stainless and black, so it's very easy to wipe down and clean as well. I highly recommend.